Friends, welcome to the fourth practical of HTML. Today's topics are line break tag, bold tag, italic, underline, typewriter, strike, superscript, and subscript. If you want to add some effects of bold, italic, underline, you have to use such tags which I have written here. Let us check how it works. Okay, so we'll start by using this site editor. Okay, so this one is the site editor. Let's start by increasing the font size. You can use control and the plus sign to increase the font size. So the first tag is always html. The first tag is always html. Let me finish it slash html. Such tags which you have to start and finish, they are known as container tags, if you remember that. So two parts are there in any html program: head, and another one was body. Okay, I'm starting them and closing them. Okay, right now I'm working on head part. In head part we have to write the metadata and the title. Metadata is also known as information, meta information. We are not using it right now. Right now I'm generally using title only, which is displayed on the title bar, if you remember that. Okay, so first of all, title, formatting text. This is my title. I hope you remember the title tag is displayed on the title bar. Whatever you want to display on your web page is written within the body part. Now today I'm going to show you use of br tag also. So let us check how br tag works. As in that, I have written two lines here: computer is an electronic device, it has three main parts, something like this. Okay, now let's check the output. I'm saving this file. I'll use name format.html. If you remember, you have to write name first of all. So format name and .html is compulsory. So save this file now. Okay, so let us check, is it there? Yes, it is here. Format, I'm opening it. So it is taking bit time to wait. So you will be able to see that whatever I have written in the title, like this formatting text, is in title bar, and the body part contains this line: computer is an electronic device, it has three main parts. It is here. Now assume that I want to move this line, this sentence, in a new line. Okay, like this. Okay, now check the output. See, there isn't any effect. I have saved this file. Okay, I already saved this file by using the control plus S, but it is still showing me in a single sentence. So you can use br tag here, like this. Vr means line break. I have saved this file. Now let us refresh this one. Now you can see that they are in different lines. Both the statements are in different lines. So I hope you understand what is the use of br tag. You can write br tag anywhere you want. Assume that I'm writing it here, br, control S, and then refresh. So parts moved to the next line. So this one is the use of br tag. I just want to explain it, so that's why I've written it over there. I'm removing it again. Okay, so that one is very easy tag. You have to write only br. Now one new thing is here. I think you're wondering why I have not written slash br, because br is a single tag, whereas html, head, title, body, they all are container tags. You have to close them. Few tags are there which are not having the closing tags. That's why they are known as empty tag, or you can call them singular tags. Okay, now assume that I'm using br here again. I want to write some names of parts. which are the three parts. So input devices, I'm using BR tag here, output devices, again BR, and assume that's CPU. Okay, saving this file, and let us check here the output. Okay, they all are in different lines now. Now assume that I'm bringing the sentence in a single line like this, saving the file. Still there isn't any effect because HTML is a markup language. I have marked the break here, that's why it is showing new line here. Again I displayed, I marked BR, so they are showing CPU in new line. So HTML is also known as free format language because of this. So now one more thing, formatting tags. Now assume that I want to make this sentence bold, so I will have to use a tag B. Okay, and bold effect is started from here. Right now it is applied on all the text which I have written in body part. You can see that. Okay, let us save this file. Okay, so everything is bold right now, but I want to apply the effect on only the first sentence. So let us finish it after the first sentence. Okay, Control S and refresh. So you can see that the bold effect is applied only on the first statement. Okay, so again let's check how italic works. For italic I have to use I tag, and I want that effect on second line only, so slash I closing tag. Now let us refresh it. See, you can see that the italic effect has been applied. Okay, so we will work on underline also now. Is that I want to use the underline effect on words input devices. So U, and after the input devices I want to try slash U. Check it how it works. Control S and then refresh. You can see the underline is there. So from B you can use the bold effect, from I you can use the italic effect, you can have underline effect by tag U. Okay, now few more tags are there which I want to explain you right now, like typewriter type and strike. Okay, let us work on it. So on output device I want to use typewriter type, TT, and after the output device I will write slash TT. See what is the effect here. That is the typewriter type effect. I want to refresh this by this. Okay, you can see the fonts are changed here. Okay, you can see that. Look at the word CPU and look at the word output device. Okay, so this one is typewriter. Let us, okay, remove slash TT from here, and I'm applying it on output only, slash TT. Control S and now refreshing it. Now see the difference here. Okay, so output is formatted by TT tag. Okay, one more tag now. A few more tags are there which are superscript and subscript. Okay, they are used in maths and science, or a few more things also. Like assume that in science I want to write H2. I want to write H2O. Control S and refresh it here. You can see that H2 is there, but I want to move that 2 a little bit downside. So how to do that in text editor? We cannot do that in a simple text editor, so that's why we have a tag, a subscript, and then after 2 slash sub. Okay, subscript only 2. See, I have written 2 between sub and slash sub, so only 2 will move downside. Let us check it here. Okay, same way we can work on superscript also. Like I want to write a square, so check it how it works. A square, control S. Right now it is showing A2 only, but I want to move it a little bit upside, so I can write sup and then slash sup. Save this file. Let's check the result. Okay, so see there H2O and a square. So these are the some formatting tags. You can use them on a single statement also, like here on the first line I want the italic effect also with the bold. So I have started I and slash I, control S. You can see that both the effects are applied on the first line. Okay, both the effects, the first line is bold also, if italic also. You can apply all these on a single statement also, bold, italic, underline and TT. Okay, so this much is for today, what we have completed today. So formatting, we will see few more things. Okay, one more thing is remaining, that is strike through. What is strike through? Assume that I want to use the strike through S and slash S. I have written S and slash S. What happens here? Let's check the output. You can see on input devices, you can see that strike through. Okay, you can use strike through. Let's check it on other example. Assume that I am using rupees 999, right? Rupees 999 space rupees 599, and this one is the old price, so I want to use at here slash S. Now check the output. Okay, you can see that output here. Okay, this is strike through. Instead of writing S only, you can use the word strike also. That is also valid, but instead of writing this much characters, you can simply finish using S. Okay, so no effect over there. Same effect. So S and strike, you can use any one of them. Okay, so that is enough for today. So these are the formatting tags. They are very easy. You can try it with yourself. Okay, have a nice day.